Okay, so let's talk about font size, which is the second most commonly used setting here. The default font size is 12, and I have this file here to show you what this means. Now, what you should be looking for is if the words on a piece of code seem to be too spaced out, too isolated. For example, this word here, visually it seems too isolated from whatever is written above and below. And the same thing with all these words. So to me, 12 pixels in font size seems a little bit too little. It's not enough. Obviously, this also depends on the font that you have installed for VS Code. But the one I have, which is Operator Mono Light, 12 doesn't work too well. I would rather go with 14, which now the words seem a little bit more snugged in together, a little bit easier to read at the distance I usually am from my screen, or even 16 if I'm working with a really big screen and I'm a little bit further away from it. Okay, so because I'm on my because I'm on my laptop, I'm gonna use 14 for this one. But the metric that you should use here, like the decision criteria that you should use here to decide on this metric is your eyes. Your eyes will tell you, does this look good? Is this easy to read? Is this tiring for my vision? And you can just take a quick glance and see, okay, is this as easy to read as if you would be reading a book, for example? If it is, okay, perfect font size. If not, then increase it or decrease it according to your needs. All right, pretty straightforward. Let's go to the next one.